My mukha is so big na. But, since it's my third trimester already, I'm eating sabaw. And of course, later for dessert, we have Milky Makapuno. It's Sunday today.
Sige ka na bigla.
Ganun ko yan.
Ang galing.
Ang kanya.
Pero sasabihin ko pa yan sa'yo galing na. Ay, no. Papadala ko. Christmas party natin ba eh. Si Jacob ayaw sumama. Pero kasi, hindi ka ako nung may Christmas party siya.
Puso of the chicken. So, magka-comment na naman, bawal ka dyan dyan.
Kasi bawal na.
I don't know. At least it's cooked. Really? Are you sure?
Ano? Okay lang? Ba't naman?
Pwede ko ba isibayan ng puso?
Yeah, I think so. It's cooked. Ang bawal natin grilled. What's the
I
difference?
like that. I want para protein. Lalalalo, lalala. Ito, okay. This is the best talaga. Baha. Try mo to. Ikaw. Try it. Come here.
Ang lambot! Photo.
Commercial na.
Hey, why did Papa
Ang kinis! Not like that is major to you.
I'm leaving at this house.
Ang kinis!
I'm leaving at this house now.